Welcome to our morning meditation. Make yourself comfortable, and when you're ready, we can begin. Close your eyes and relax. Take a few deep breaths in and then out. Feel the tension melt away from your body. Imagine yourself sitting on a hilltop just before the first light of dawn breaks the horizon. The still, cool night air carries a smell of fresh, damp earth and grass. The sky becomes lighter and bluer until the dawn breaks, sending a blaze of sunlight and shadow across the curves of the landscape. The deepest, strongest oranges and yellows and purples mingle to create a carpet of beauty and awe. The colours become lighter and paler, and dawn finally breaks. The sun finally rises above the horizon. A gentle mist rises from the valley as the day warms. The chill air fades and the sun's heat touches your body, warming you. A sense of optimism and possibility surrounds you with this new day. The valley is fully awake now. Morning has broken. The golden light of the morning sun fills the valley. Bird song drifts across the air, hailing the new morning. You feel a sense of peace and serenity wash over you as you watch the beauty of the world unfold to a new day. You can carry this feeling of hope and positivity with you throughout your day. And remember, like nature, you can overcome the darkness and bring in the light to this world. Take a few deep breaths, stretch out your body and wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Come back to the present moment, feeling fresh and optimistic and ready to begin a new day. Now open your eyes. Remember that each new day is a fresh start, and you can embrace the positivity and possibilities of this day and let your light shine with optimism and hope. I hope that you enjoyed this meditation. Please share any experiences that you feel and are able to in the comments, and thank you for joining me in this journey, and have a great day.